Hello everyone, this is Marcutti. Today I'm showing you a tumble dryer from Electrolux. And yes, the same design also exists from AEG. They might have a white front panel, but the basic principle of these heat pump dryers is almost identical. With this model, the laundry doesn't dry properly anymore. It still gets warm, but not completely dry, and the program runs forever. So, what can you do about it? Quite simple. Watch this video carefully. Alright, let's get started. Here you can see exactly what to look out for if you want great drying results again. First, and very important, the primary lint filter. You should clean it thoroughly after every drying cycle. Otherwise, you'll end up with a small fluff avalanche sooner or later. And now comes the part almost everyone forgets, the evaporator, or cold register. It often looks just like this, and when you open it, you might think, "Oh my goodness." Let me open it quickly so you can see what it can look like in your machine. Air flows in here, absorbs the moisture from your clothes, passes through the filter, exits here, and then moves through the cold register. At the back, at the bottom, there's a heating register where the air gets warmed up again and re-enters the system, now dry. The moist air keeps circulating through the system, and right at this cold register, the humidity condenses. Over time, small bits of lint build up on this gasket. This lifts the filter slightly, and the lint bypasses the filter system and clogs the cold register. As a result, the air circulation is no longer maintained, and the dryer can no longer dry properly. The laundry stays damp, and that is the main problem. So, what can you do about it? Easy. Clean it. Let me show you how. Ideally, you'll have a special metal comb made for cleaning the register. If not, you can also use a small scraper or brush. Just make sure you always move in the direction of the fins, from top to bottom. If you use a vacuum cleaner, don't press too hard, or you might bend the fins. They're made of thin aluminium and are quite delicate, so always handle them gently. I've also made another video on YouTube where you can see this process in detail. There are older models with a protective grid, and the newer ones don't have that grid anymore. I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. As you can see, everything comes off quite easily, especially with this comb. It's amazing how much dirt collects there. You can simply rinse everything out and put it back in. It's best to check this once a year, or even better, every 6 months. That way, air circulation stays optimal, and your dryer will work efficiently and reliably again. So go ahead, head down to your laundry room, take a look, and let me know in the comments how it looks at your place. I'd really appreciate your feedback, and of course, a like or a subscription to my channel. Thank you very much. Yours, Marcutti.